こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make Japanese glass noodle salad. This is a quick and easy noodle salad. The flavorsome soy sauce sesame oil vinaigrette dressing is very refreshing. You can keep this salad in a refrigerator in a sealed container for up to 3 days. It is a handy, light and bright side dish to stock in the fridge. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to rehydrate glass noodles. Glass noodles are also called Chinese vermicelli, and it's made from water and starch, such as mung beans, potatoes, sweet potatoes, tapioca, etc. It's quite easy to get confused with rice vermicelli, which is made from rice, so check the ingredients before you get it. Place 60 grams of glass noodle vermicelli in a large bowl. Pour in boiling water to completely submerge the noodles. Leave the noodles to rehydrate for about 5 minutes until tender and transparent. The cooking time depends on the manufacturer of the product, so follow the package instructions. Meanwhile, let's prepare the vegetables and the dressing. Cut half a carrot into fine julienne. And cut 1/3 of a cucumber into fine julienne as well. Place the carrot and the cucumbers in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix and leave it for 5 minutes. This process draws out the excess water in the carrots and the cucumbers, which helps to preserve the salad longer. In a small bowl, place 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and mix to combine. The dressing is done. Drain the rehydrated vermicelli noodles and rinse under running cold water, and then drain very well to remove excess water, so the dressing won't be diluted later. Cut the noodles shorter lengths for easy to eat. Place the noodles in a bowl. Squeeze out the excess water from the carrots and the cucumbers, and place them in a bowl. Pour the dressing and add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, which are just stir-fried sesame seed in a dry frying pan until golden brown. Add a pinch of chilli flakes if you want, and mix them all together. Deきた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said. It's a quick, simple, tasty and healthy side dish that can be made ahead of time. The tangy, refreshing flavor makes her feel recharged. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね